The transportation industry stands at the threshold of its most significant transformation in over a century, and MAN Truck and Bus is leading this revolutionary charge into an electric future. After decades of pioneering diesel engine technology, MAN has officially launched series production of its groundbreaking electric trucks, marking a historic milestone that signals the end of one era and the beginning of another. This monumental shift represents more than just a change in propulsion systems, it embodies a fundamental reimagining of commercial transportation for a sustainable world. At the company's Munich plant, a facility spanning the size of 140 football pitches, MAN has successfully integrated both electric and diesel truck production on a single assembly line, demonstrating an unprecedented level of manufacturing flexibility and innovation. This achievement is the culmination of massive investments totaling nearly €400 million in research and development, alongside approximately €1 billion dedicated to electrifying their European production facilities. The MAN eTruck portfolio now ranges from 12 to 50 tons, designed for various applications from refuse collection to long-haul transportation, proving that electric mobility is no longer a distant dream but a present reality transforming the logistics landscape. The proof of MAN's electric truck success lies not in promotional materials but in the real-world kilometers accumulated on European roads by actual logistics companies. Since the beginning of 2025, over 150 MAN eTrucks have been successfully deployed by major logistics service providers across Germany, Austria, Belgium, and the Netherlands, including industry giants such as DB Schenker, Duvenbeck, Doxer, Draxlmaier, and Koopman. These vehicles have collectively traveled nearly 1 million kilometers, demonstrating exceptional reliability and efficiency in diverse operational conditions. The performance metrics are particularly impressive, with the trucks achieving an average consumption of approximately 100 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers in real-world applications across different route profiles and varying payload conditions. Some vehicles have achieved daily journeys of up to 800 kilometers with intermediate charging, while maintaining remarkably low consumption rates that validate MAN's engineering prowess. Compared to traditional diesel trucks consuming around 27 liters per 100 kilometers, these electric vehicles have already saved approximately 820 tons of CO2 when powered by 100% green electricity. William Kratch, responsible for direct operations at DB Schenker, has noted that the trucks are running smoothly and showing lower consumption compared to other electric trucks used on similar routes, providing tangible evidence that MAN's eTruck technology delivers on its promises of efficiency and environmental responsibility. The technical sophistication of MAN eTrucks represents a masterclass in automotive engineering, combining cutting-edge electric propulsion with practical design considerations that address the real needs of logistics operations. At the heart of these vehicles lies a modular battery system comprising 3 to 6 NMC batteries produced at MAN's Nuremberg plant, offering a total gross capacity of up to 534 kilowatt-hours and enabling ranges of approximately 500 kilometers on a single charge for typical semi-trailer applications. For operations requiring extended range, an optional 7th battery pack can increase the maximum range to an impressive 740 kilometers without recharging, making long-haul electric transportation genuinely viable. A particularly innovative feature is the placement of media routing in the lower section of the frame, leaving the upper section completely free for technical requirements specified by body manufacturers, thereby providing customers with unprecedented flexibility in vehicle customization. The standout model in the lineup is the ETGX Ultra-Low Liner, a unique market offering with a fifth wheel height of just 950 mm and a wheelbase of 3.75 meters, enabling fully electric transport with an internal loading height of 3 meters, perfectly suited for automotive logistics and high-volume freight requirements. The e-Power Pack, assembled in a dedicated pre-assembly line, integrates battery units, the HV distributor, and the air conditioning compressor, providing energy for the electric drive unit, climate control, heating, coolant, power steering, and any auxiliary units present in the vehicle. MAN recognizes that transitioning to electric trucks requires more than just replacing diesel engines with batteries. It demands a comprehensive digital ecosystem that supports drivers and fleet managers throughout their daily operations. The company has developed an impressive suite of digital services specifically tailored for electric truck operations, with the MAN eManager serving as comprehensive charging management software that allows operators to monitor vehicles and batteries across their entire electric fleet in real time. The MAN Smart Route system represents a significant advancement in route planning technology, offering smart and efficient routing that dynamically suggests optimal paths based on individual parameters such as current charge level, energy consumption patterns, remaining range, available charging infrastructure, and required charging times, ensuring maximum reliability and range optimization. Through the MAN Charge and Go service, drivers gain easy access to Europe's largest high-rated eTruck charging network, complete with competitive pricing and seamless payment integration that eliminates the complexity often associated with public charging infrastructure. The MAN Service Care Preventive Digital Maintenance and Repair Management System continuously monitors the maintenance status of eTruck fleets, transferring vehicle data to proactively coordinate and bundle maintenance appointments, thereby reducing workshop visits and minimizing costly downtime. These digital solutions transform the electric truck from a standalone vehicle into a connected, intelligent asset that actively contributes to operational efficiency and profitability. Understanding that electric trucks are only as effective as the charging infrastructure that supports them, MAN has undertaken an ambitious program to build a comprehensive charging network across Europe while simultaneously preparing its service centers for the electric age. Through a strategic partnership with energy company E.ON, MAN is establishing approximately 170 locations with around 400 charging points specifically designed for electric truck charging throughout Europe, with over 125 locations planned for Germany alone. These charging stations are strategically positioned along the existing MAN service network, ensuring that drivers are never far from reliable charging facilities, and they're designed to accommodate commercial vehicles from all manufacturers, promoting industry-wide electrification rather than proprietary lock-in. MAN has also invested heavily in equipping its own facilities with appropriate charging infrastructure, with the Dachau, Nuremberg, and Salzgitter sites already featuring comprehensive charging capabilities to support both internal logistics operations and customer demonstrations. The company's ambitious goal is to have 70% of all MAN's own service outlets across Europe qualified and audited to service eTrucks by the start of large-scale production, with complete e-readiness targeted for 2028, ensuring that technical support and maintenance expertise matches the pace of fleet electrification. This holistic approach to infrastructure development addresses one of the primary concerns logistics companies have when considering electric vehicle adoption, providing the confidence that comes from knowing comprehensive support systems are already in place. The environmental imperative driving MAN's electric truck development extends far beyond marketing rhetoric to represent a fundamental corporate commitment to combating climate change through concrete action in the commercial vehicle sector. MAN Truck and Bus has set an ambitious target to achieve complete CO2 neutrality by 2050, and electrifying the vehicle fleet is absolutely critical to reaching this goal since approximately 95% of MAN's total emissions are attributable to vehicles in operation rather than manufacturing processes. The company aims to deliver more than 1,000 eTrucks to customers by the end of 2025, and if these 1,000 electric trucks replace diesel equivalents with an annual mileage of 120,000 kilometers and average consumption of 24 liters per 100 kilometers, they could collectively save up to 80,000 tons of CO2 in a single year when powered by 100% green electricity. This carbon reduction is roughly equivalent to eliminating the annual CO2 emissions of an entire small German town, demonstrating the substantial environmental impact that electrifying commercial transportation can achieve. MAN's commitment extends to its own operations, with the company launching tenders for battery electric vehicles to operate on nearly 40 routes within its inbound logistics network, where trucks currently drive up to 165 million kilometers annually. By converting these internal supply chains to zero-emission drives, MAN is leading by example, demonstrating to customers that the advantages of battery electric trucks are not theoretical but proven through the company's own operational experience and sustainable cost efficiency. While the environmental benefits of electric trucks are compelling, MAN recognizes that logistics companies ultimately make decisions based on economic viability, which is why the company has worked diligently to ensure that eTrucks represent sound financial investments beyond their ecological advantages. The initial purchase price of electric trucks admittedly remains higher than their diesel counterparts, but this upfront cost must be evaluated within the context of significantly lower variable operating costs that accumulate throughout the vehicle's lifetime. Electric trucks benefit from substantially reduced energy costs compared to diesel fuel, dramatically lower maintenance requirements due to fewer moving parts and no complex exhaust after-treatment systems, and increasing financial advantages from carbon taxes and toll charge structures that favor zero-emission vehicles. Additionally, various state subsidies and incentive programs across European countries provide substantial financial support for electric truck adoption, further improving the economic equation for early adopters. MAN's analysis demonstrates that depending on individual operational circumstances, total cost of ownership parity with diesel trucks can be achieved in as little as 4 years, after which electric trucks deliver ongoing cost savings that contribute directly to bottom-line profitability. To address concerns about high initial costs and internal infrastructure setup, MAN offers comprehensive 360-degree e-mobility consulting services, providing customer-specific analyses of vehicle deployment patterns, charging infrastructure requirements, and tailored financial advice, including attractive financing options that make the transition to electric mobility more accessible for companies of all sizes. The production of MAN eTrucks at the Munich facility represents a manufacturing achievement that rivals the engineering innovation evident in the vehicles themselves, demonstrating that flexibility and efficiency can coexist in modern automotive production environments. MAN has pioneered a revolutionary approach to truck manufacturing by successfully integrating both electric and diesel truck production on a single assembly line, allowing the company to build vehicles in the exact sequence they are ordered by customers regardless of propulsion type. This flexibility provides enormous advantages in responding to market demands and ensures optimal resource utilization throughout the production process, eliminating the need for separate dedicated facilities that would be underutilized during the transitional period when both technologies coexist. Achieving this integration required comprehensive workflow redesign and meticulous planning, with the company's e-mobility center mapping every process step with pinpoint accuracy to ensure that necessary adjustments could be immediately incorporated by vehicle developers. The human element of this transformation is equally impressive, with MAN investing substantially in training more than 5,000 employees in high-voltage technology and electric vehicle assembly techniques, ensuring that the workforce possesses the skills necessary to build the next generation of commercial vehicles safely and efficiently. The assembly process has been modified to accommodate unique electric truck components such as the 2 large battery packs and power pack installed under the cab, requiring new tools, procedures, and safety protocols. This manufacturing transformation demonstrates that legacy automotive companies can successfully adapt their operations to embrace new technologies while leveraging existing infrastructure and workforce expertise. The transition to electric trucks moves from abstract possibility to concrete reality through the experiences of logistics companies that have integrated MAN eTrucks into their daily operations, providing valuable insights into both the opportunities and practical considerations of fleet electrification. DB Schenker, one of the world's leading logistics service providers and the market leader in European land transport, has taken delivery of 10 MAN eTGX ultra-low liners as the first installment of a total order for 150 vehicles, deploying them for daily scheduled services including round trips between sites in Dortmund and Hanover, as well as dedicated automotive and consumer sector transportation. The vehicles provided by the TIP Group, a leading independent commercial vehicle rental company, are being operated in various configurations including 2-shift operations that demand maximum reliability and performance. Automotive logistics specialist Duvenbeck has committed to deploying up to 120 MAN eTrucks, recognizing that the ultra-low-liner configuration uniquely meets the specific requirements of the automotive industry with its ability to transport volume trailers with 3-meter internal heights. The automotive supplier DRA with Diaresis XLMAIR in Leipzig is using MAN eTrucks to transport batteries for the electric Porsche Macan, demonstrating the synergy between electric vehicle manufacturing and electric vehicle logistics. Perhaps most dramatically, the MAN Polar Express demonstration saw a battery electric eTGX semi-trailer truck cover 3,000 kilometers from the Arctic Circle to Munich purely on battery power using only public charging infrastructure, proving that fully electric trans-European long-distance transport is not a future aspiration but a present capability, even in the challenging winter temperatures of Northern Europe. As MAN accelerates production of its eTruck lineup and expands its electric vehicle ecosystem, the company is positioning itself not merely as a participant in the transportation industry's electrification but as a defining leader shaping the future of commercial mobility across Europe and beyond. With 700 orders already received in production ramping up to deliver thousands of vehicles annually, MAN is demonstrating that electric trucks have moved decisively from prototype curiosity to mainstream logistics solution embraced by major fleet operators. The company continues to innovate across multiple fronts simultaneously, expanding charging infrastructure through partnerships like the Eon collaboration, developing increasingly sophisticated digital services that enhance operational efficiency, and preparing its extensive service network to provide comprehensive support for electric fleets with the same reliability customers expect from conventional vehicles. MAN's holistic approach recognizes that selling electric trucks represents only the beginning of a comprehensive relationship, with success depending equally on charging accessibility, digital fleet management tools, maintenance expertise, and ongoing consultation services that help customers optimize their electric operations. The broader vision extends to complete decarbonization of MAN's own logistics operations, with the company leveraging its internal fleet as a proving ground for technologies and strategies that will subsequently benefit customers throughout the industry. As CEO Alexander Vlaskamp has emphasized, the future of MAN begins now, built on a foundation of over a century of commercial vehicle expertise combined with cutting-edge electric propulsion technology, comprehensive digital services, and an unwavering commitment to sustainable transportation. The electric lions are no longer coming, they are here, they are working, and they are transforming logistics operations across Europe 1 kilometer at a time, proving that the future truly drives electric.